If you have an 80 slide tray that won't mount to your projector after coming back from repairs, flip the tray over and rotate the bottom plate until this notch aligns with the locking latch. This means that the tray is in the zeroed position and now will seat properly on your projector. If you have a 140 slide tray that won't mount to your projector after coming back from repairs, flip the tray over where you will see instructions for zeroing the tray. Squeeze the release latch spring. This will allow the bottom plate to rotate freely. Rotate the bottom plate until the indicator notch lines up with a corresponding notch on the outer portion of the tray. This means the tray is now in the zeroed position and should seat correctly on the projector. If you cannot find your power cord or remote following repairs, flip your projector over and look for the storage compartment. During repairs, we neatly fold and store remotes and power cords that come with your projector in the storage compartment.